Behavior is a communication, and when a child has a behavior that isn't working for everyone, it's important to first figure out what the child needs, and then provide alternative ways to get that need met in a way that works for everyone. A child uses language that isn't appreciated in a certain environment. This could be cussing, slang, or unkind words. A typical response may be to give a consequence like, "We don't talk like that. You're in timeout." Or, "You have to be nice to your brother. I've told you not to talk to him like that." And then a lecture. Or you may be tired and pretend you don't hear it this time. Most of us have tried these, but chances are none of them change the behavior in the future, even though they may interrupt it in the moment. Anytime we face challenges, they are opportunities to practice a skill. How kids respond. "I know that you're mad at me. I'm mad at you, and I'm mad at myself." Other possibilities. "Hey bud, I know you care about me, but the way you just said that didn't sound loving. It's okay to be frustrated, but how can you say that more kindly to Daddy? I know how much you love your brother and that you wouldn't ever say anything to intentionally hurt him. How can you communicate that message more kindly? Hey sweetie, it's cool to talk slang with your friends because you all understand that language, but when you're talking to Grandma, you want to make sure that you're speaking language she can understand so you can both have fun in the conversation." Or, "Hey sweetie, it's okay to get frustrated, but some language isn't acceptable and can hurt feelings. So let's try that again in a way that doesn't do damage." All of these require the child to rethink and make changes. How kids respond. "I feel like you care about me and you're trying to help me. I understand what you're trying to teach me." If you want to take the next step, sign up for our free parenting workshop in the description below.